Today I'm going to show you how you can change your channel logo on your Android phone. This can be done within around 2 minutes, and here's how you do it. So make sure you're logged into the account you want to change your logo on, then open up YouTube and go to your channel and then click on your channel. Here you should see your channel that you want to change the logo for. Now what we need to do is go into the top right hand corner and click on the 3 dots and then go to help and feedback. Once you're in help and feedback, it is going to open in a web browser, by the way. You need to type in manage. So I'll just wait for it to load here and then we can type in manage. So describe your issue. We then want to type in manage and we should see it here. It should say manage your channel icon. Click on that. Then we can scroll down and we want to click on Google account settings. Once you've done that, it's going to take you to your Google account where you can then go and change your profile picture. So what you need to do is when you're here, you need to make sure that you're logged into your right Google account and which matches your YouTube account. So me, if I click on my icon here, you can see I've got multiple emails on Google. You need to make sure you go and click on the email that is linked with your YouTube channel. Once you've done that, all you need to do is click on the edit button and you can then click on the photo and add a new logo. So that's all you've got to do, guys. If that video helped you out, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.